Welcome viewers, this is Abhinaya from Basant Technologies. If you have any doubts in previous C programming videos, just comment here and I will clarify you. And if you want to know more about C programming, please contact nearby Basant Technologies branch immediately. So today we are going to see about strings. Okay, strings is nothing but a collection of characters, that is our group of characters is called as a string. Okay, so you are all very known about what is mean by character, how to declare a character in C programming. Yes, we know, you know that. So just to specify the character, char is a data type for character, then specifying the variable name, then single quotation, then specify the character. This is the way of specifying character in C programming. So how to specify a string in a C programming? So it is so simple. Just give that char and variable name, then equal to, so we have to specify the array values, that is array values, then give that double quotation, then specify the characters. Okay, this is group of characters. These are all stored in a array format, a character array format. Okay, so there are so many string functions in C programming. So what are that? Str cpy, this is nothing but a string copy. String copy. What is the syntax for this string copy is, just specify cpy, then within the bracket s1 comma s2. This is what is the function of that strcpy is nothing but just copy the s2 value of s2 is into S1. Just copy the value of S2 into S1 and store the value in the S1. This is strcpy, that is string copy. Then second one is string concatenation. So string concatenation is nothing but just, for example, S1 is hi and S2 is hello. If we are using string concatenation function, just both are concatenate like this. Hi, hello. This is string concatenation. So both are combined and stored in a specified variables. So what is the syntax of this? Means just strcat, then specify the two strings. So the what is the function is, just the both s1 and s2 are copied and then stored into s1. This is string concatenation. Then string length. So see, if we want to know what is the total length of string, so just give this, consider this. This is string values. So what is the length of this string? Just using the string length functions, we can predict this length of this string. So syntax for a string length is strlen. Just specify the string variable. Okay, it returns the integer value. So we have to specify the variable name, integer variable name we have to specify here. Okay, then have you all cleared? Yes. Okay, then so string concatenation, string copy and string length, then string comparison. So what is the function of string comparison? just string compare used to compare two strings character by character. If the first character of two strings are equal, the next character of two strings are compared. This continues until the corresponding two strings are different or up to null character. See here, the last character will be the null character. So it continues until until it encounters the null character. Okay, if suppose it returns the integer value. If both are equal means it returns integer value. If both are strings are identical, that is both are same means just return 0. If it is not same means it's return negative integer. Okay, negative integer. If it is if both are equals means it returns the 0 value. If suppose if both are is not matched means it returns the negative integer. Okay, not equal. So if it is not equal means it returns the negative integer. Okay, then two more, these are all called the string manipulation functions. String manipulation functions. String manipulation. These are all called string manipulation functions. Okay. Okay. Then two more string functions is string lower. STRLWR. It is nothing but converts the string into lower case. It is used for converts the string into lower case. Converts into lower case. Then the same thing, string UPR. String UPR, it is nothing but yes, converts into uppercase. Okay. For using these string manipulation functions, we have to specify the header file. So what are the header files we have to use for string manipulation function is nothing but string hash include string dot h. So this header file have to be included in above the header file sections. Okay, so first of all just we see the one on example for this purpose. So just using std simple example. So we have to use the string dot h header file. String dot h header file. Just give us some value, some boundary values, then give some so int length. Length is finding the length value. There are we see about three examples. First one is string copy. Okay, strcpy of string 3 comma string 1. Okay, printf. Use the percentage yes. So here string 3. Then string concatenation. String concatenation. Just use str1 comma str2. Both are concatenated. Just type the value of str1 percentage s comma str1. So what is it? Just concatenate these two strings and saved into str1. Okay. Then length is equal to just finding the length of str1. Printf the value of, sorry, the length is percentage d. So please specify the slash n, because we may confuse. So give some slash n. Okay. Okay. So then close it. Then save this program as string function dot c. Then open the terminal. Just come on, compile it. String then dot slash string function. See, first one is the value of str3 is Besant. The value of str1 is Besant Technologies. Then length is for str1 is 24. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, 24. But the length of str is 24. That's all. So if you have any doubts, ask me and I will clarify you. Thank you for watching.